Sistema.bio, we work together with smallholder farmers to address the challenges of poverty, food security, and climate change. We provide access to innovative biogas technology, training, and financing that makes farmers more productive, efficient, and sustainable. We are a global and scalable technology solution operating around the world with the potential to bring clean energy and sustainable agriculture to over 100 million small farms. We work directly with farmers on the ground, and we also train partner organizations to bring our technology and programming to their own communities. Join us. Together we can empower over 1 million people to be the central actors to help solve climate change.